Hi friends, in this video lecture we are going to know about superposition theorem in DC circuits. We are going to solve a problem. The problem is calculate the current flow through 4 ohm resistor in the given network using superposition theorem. It is a given circuit diagram. The circuit consists of one voltage source and one current source. Voltage source is 24 volt source, current source is 10 amps source. Two resistors are connected in parallel. One is 12 ohm, another one is 4 ohm. To solve this problem, students should know the following steps. First one, take only one independent source of voltage or current and deactivate the other source. Step 2 explains how to deactivate other source. If there is a voltage source, then short circuit it, and if there is a current source, then just open circuit it. Step number 3, thus by activating one source and deactivating the other source, find the current in each branch of the network. Step 4. Now add the currents obtained from each individual source for each branch. It is common step. But for this problem, we are going to find the current flow through 4 ohm resistor only. So, we are going to add the current corresponding to 4 ohm resistor only. Step 5 also common. If the current obtained by each branch is in the same direction, then add them. And if it is in the opposite direction, subtract them to obtain the net current in each branch. Once again, in this problem, we are finding current flow through 4 ohm resistor only. So we need to consider that branch only. Here step 4 and step 5 is common thing. Let us draw the given circuit diagram. Then write the required data. The required data is current flow through 4 ohm resistor. Let us go to the solution. Step 1. Current source should be open circuited. Now the circuit becomes like this. Look at the given circuit diagram. Here 10 amps current source given, that has been open circuited. In the new diagram, we had considered only 24 volt source. So dear students, we are considering 24 volt source alone and make 10 amps inoperative. How it is inoperative? That is, the source should be open circuited. For that, formula for finding the current I is equal to V divided by R, where current flow through 4 ohm resistor is equal to, in the given circuit diagram, voltage is 24 and the resistor 12 plus 4, because these two resistors are connected in series, so they can be added. That is 12 plus 4, which gives the value 1.5 amps. Step 2. The voltage source is short circuited. Now we are considering current source alone and make voltage source into inactive. While considering 10 amps current source, 12 ohm resistor and 4 ohm resistors are in parallel combination. For that, we are taking the formula for current division in parallel resistor, that is IR1 is equal to IT into R2 divided by R1 plus R2, where R1 is equal to 4 ohm, R2 is equal to 12 ohm. Now apply the values in this formula, that is current flow through 4 ohm resistor is equal to, the value of total current is 10 amps. The value of resistor R2 is 12 ohm. 12 ohm is the resistor connected in parallel with the 4 ohm resistor. 12 ohm divided by 12 plus 4. Value is 7.5 amps. Consider this equation as number 2 and the previous one was considered as number 1, that is 1.5 amps. In step 3, we need to add these equations 1 and 2. Now the total current flow through 4 ohm resistor is equal to 1.5 plus 7.5 is equal to 9 amps. Let us take the result, that is current flow through 4 ohm resistor is equal to 9 amps. Dear students, in step 1, we are considering 24 volt source alone and current source made inactive. In step 2, we are considering 10 amp source alone and voltage source was made alone. In step 3, we are adding two currents which are taken from step 1 and 2. In the result, we are getting the value of 9 amps. Thank you all.